Welcome to Mitzi's Mega Marble Runs. It's a normal race. Watch the first video if you want to get like a preview of the first race. Anyways, let's get rolling. We're going up. To a dangerous height. Oh, the marbles are going. Go, go, go. Down the tower. Quicker, quicker. Go. Don't get jammed up, silly marbles. Oh yeah, you're in the funnel. Oh, the funnel's a bit smashed. I better do that. Oh, get in, marbles. Sneak in. Yeah. Who's gonna get in this funnel first? Ooh, it's many ones already. Like yellow, checkerboard, alieno, tons. They're in the second last funnel. Alieno, checkerboard, red, and magnetico have went in the last funnel up. Some more have came, like green and sticker. Oh, look. Red's already down here. Wow. This is very intense. Can magnetico catch up? Ooh, is this gonna... it doesn't look like magnetico's catching up anytime soon. Ooh, still close though. Anything can happen in the super twister. Who's gonna come? Who's gonna come in second last and last? Let's see, will we? It looks like green's not gonna come in last. Instead, Sparkler's gonna come in last. Ah, Sparkler.